Hello everyone. Happy Tuesday. I am so excited to be here today doing our Tiny Tuesdays savings challenges. So I have $30 here. I have 25 ones and one spicy 5. Well, it's really a buyback 5. We are going to set it to the side, and when we have $5 in a challenge, we will swap it out. So I hope you guys are having a great Tuesday. I hope your week is going well so far. I am getting caught up on everything as I am just getting back from being away for a couple weeks. And Aria and I, today is Monday when I'm filming. We did some work this morning. I got my membership stuff ready to mail out. And this afternoon, well, at like 2-ish, we are going to go see the new Elio movie. So we're excited about that. I got the matinee tickets, so it's cheaper. So I'm so excited because, you know, we are trying to be conscientious with our spending. Okay, so that one had 5, so I just put that there. That might actually be done. I don't know. All right, we need something for number 2. Is number 2 not going to get anything? Oh, there we go. Okay, yay. I don't like cheating on these and like putting something there just because, but I do want everything to get, every challenge to get something. So it feels good to be home, guys. Honestly, you know you're old when you just miss your bed when you're on vacation. And you're like, man, I just really can't wait to get back to my bed. So as much as I loved traveling and seeing everybody, I am happy to be home. All right, this first challenge is a collaboration by Weekly Budgets and Vicky Thinks. We are adding 1, 2, 3, and 4 to this challenge. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we should have 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we do. Awesome. All right. This next challenge, challenge number 2, received $1. So we can't cross anything out yet since each bow is $2. And I do not know who that is by because there's no name on it. And I tried to look it up and I could not find it. So if it's you, please let me know down in the comments. Let me know that it's you. All right, this challenge got 5, 6, and 7. We needed 2, 4, 6. We need $1 more for this one. So I'm just going to stick this one here again like that. We need $1 more to finish that one. All right. Oh, and that one is by Angela Marie. I'm sorry. You can tell it's been a minute since I filmed because I am all out of sorts. I don't remember what I'm doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one is by Windmill Ridge Budgets. So we're going to do 5, 6, 7, 8. We can do a 5 and a 1 for 6. And then we'll put $2 folded down as a rollover. Okay, there's that one. Next we have this new one by Teacher Mom Budgets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. And these challenges, in case you're new to my channel, these challenges all go towards my daughter's sinking funds for July. So whatever the next month is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is by Amy by Nature. 2, 3, 4, 5. I guess I should have made each of those 2, but oh well. That one will be a small one. And that is it for our Tiny Tuesdays, guys. We did not finish any challenge today, but that is okay. Is this the last Tiny Tuesday of the month? I do believe it is. Is it? I don't know. We might have one more Tiny Tuesday left this month. I can't remember. But that is it for today, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for being here. And I will see you tomorrow for our scratch off binder. Bye.